Hello everyone. Today I will describe my application water conditions in Europe created for InterSystem contest. Let's start. I will share my screen and show everything. Today my application is accessible from GitHub, water conditions Europe. You can clone it and you can run it on local machine. It contains IRIS, it contains HKL Server, it has some reports and dashboards in different systems. Let's see some overview. In HKL Server, you can put your own connections to the folder connection in JSON format, and also you can put cubes in XML, and you can put lessons, and it will be picked up to HKL Server and will work from scratch just by running the container. Also, here you can watch the iris contain Python application. It use Python Flask to make screens, to make main screen, and it also have Jupyter notebook, which connect to database, and also it have one interesting thing that I will tell later, is to make prediction of future values, which based on the previous values, and can be some projection of that can be in future. And here it also logic report designer. Designer using to open the logic report, you can export it to PDF file, or you can watch it online on logic report server. And it looks like that. You can open that report, you can reach something, you can change formulas and parameters, or else you can use it like an example to your new project, and it connects to local host, to local HKL server, so you can use that bundle to develop your own projects, for example. Yes, now let's watch what in Power BI. Here is Power BI file. You can open it in Power BI desktop application and change everything you want. Also, we have Tableau, Tableau source file, and Tableau exported data, and Tableau PDF file exported results, exported dashboard. Well, Tableau looks like that thing. You can reach something, you can click or unclick, you can add filter, you can change whatever you want. So it's Tableau desktop application too. The launch of that bundle, of that Docker set takes about 20 minutes. I want to save your time, and we will watch it already launched Docker containers. So what's interesting here? I will show you on local running instance. The main page contains something like in README. It describes what you can, what you see, what you do to launch it. At the same line is the dashboard, which based on the Dash Python solution, it can run timeline, and it will show some changes, some values. And for the source data set was ending at 2017, and all that huge data is proposed by neural network. Yes. Well, here you can't see changes because I've proposed only one river on that data set because it's slow to propose. It takes about 24 hours to calculate 2 years. So if I decide to propose all the data about all the rivers, about all the lakes and another water, we will wait about a week or maybe later. So let's see a dashboard. This dashboard is on Iris BI realized, and it also works about filters about online activity. You can watch what happened here. Also, you can watch the logic report. It is installed here. It is embedded here, like in PDF file. Also, PowerBI report is here is iframe. We can use its filters. We can watch what's happening when we change, when we select only one or two positions in water source category, and also we can change the years, and we can select some country, and we can watch it on the Mac. You can click here, you can filter something, you can open that, yes, and see details. And also we have Tableau report, which is implemented here too, and watch it just like a final report. So you can take a look, take information about how it works. You can watch inside of the reports and dashboards. You can watch inside of Iris engine and the HKL engine. So you can use it on your own way. And I hope in next video I will show you how I used to use Python to calculate the future values of some river conditions. So take it, use it, give me feedback and comment it. I will be very grateful for that. Thank you everyone who watched this video, and goodbye.